Chapter 1. Introduction. Drawing with charcoal is one of the most traditional art mediums, which has been used by a variety of artists known to many, like Rembrandt, Pablo Picasso, and Leonardo da Vinci. Most artists that use charcoal are those who practiced and got used to hand strokes in pen or graphite pencil, and then decided to use charcoal when they could not achieve the pitch-black depth they wanted. Using charcoal is totally different from using a lead pencil. The softness and clarity of lines in a single stroke is more sensitive and thick, unlike the use of lead pencil, where the strongest shade is silver. The use of charcoal pencil requires control, patience, and good observance. The wholeness of an artwork must be foreseen in every detail. Drawing with charcoal requires persistency. You will experience several errors before you achieve quality work, especially if you aim to draw realistic sketches and portraits. Charcoal comes with different shades of colors, but the most widely used for artists are black and white. For practice in thorough details or making a masterpiece, charcoal is most advisable. This book will teach you how to use charcoal, the manner of drawing with it, and the basic techniques so you can make your own art identity or even a masterpiece in no time.